Here we go. This is a walkthrough. Here's our Bryce made this pit bike track here. We've been touching it up all day here. See what your thoughts are on it. This is our walkthrough. Pit bike track here. Got about a mile track around the woods and about a half a mile. Here's a nice little triple plateau, tabletop, whatever you want to call it. We got some of our lettering up. It's about a 25 footer. Some signage up that we got from the track. Come up here, this is pretty much straightaway rip. Bryce made this nice little snake turn. I would call it a snake turn. Here. Couple uphill whoops. Told him he's got to put new suspension on this little 70 he's running, because nice little horseshoe turn here. Nice downhill double. Just a tiny 4-footer. She's about 12 foot long. Come down up over. Coming down the hill hot here. So it's kind of different. Coming down the hill hot. Another horseshoe turn around the tree here. Back up the hill. Got some signage there from the track. Not much here, and then just a horseshoe. Still got some trimming to do. Another horseshoe turn back. So little snake through the woods here, as you can see Bryce over there now. Down the hill heavy again. Nice berm here. Flat rye with a hard right berm. Some signage we put up. Pair of doubles here. Here comes Bryce. He's gonna run me over if I don't get the hell out of the way. So. Yeah, you need to add to that, Hoss. You're bottoming out, both of them. If you hear that on this video, it sounds like the bike broke in half. Well, whatever. I told him to add to this. He didn't put anything on here. He's jumping a 4-foot high steeper, landing on 6 inches. So we're gonna load that now. Coming here hot into a nice berm, kind of like a boomerang turn here. Whatever. It goes this way.
It goes that way.
Then you come on straight. It's a nice little tabletop rip to the finish line. Yeah, that bike's smashing. He needs to put nice. I put a nice lip on this bad boy. Come across to your finish. Lays down right here, heavy. Walk through turn. And as you can see, we're coming back to the beginning of the video. We got some signage from a local track. They were giving away, whatever, throwing away. So we just threw them up here and there. So that's our pit bike track out here at Cowpath Lane in Newcastle. Fun little track through the woods. It's mainly ripping through the woods. Over and out.